I am honestly ashamed anytime I see Otumfour dressed like this, in suit and things like that. I am totally ashamed. You are one of the greatest kings of the world. Why should you dress in suit, let alone a Freemason suit? You are the king of Ashanti. Today you are in Freemason suit. Let Kufuor and the rest dress in Freemasonry.
Ebusia Black Rasta den sembi bakroimo. Na the way our issue no sifatie no, me to me nka de video Black Rasta dey better bonte no, me dey betu na wa hwe because ensema Black Rasta e kafa Otumfour ho no. Se me kebia e be say there many Black Rasta e adwen, but many Black Rasta e nya adwen e no opinion. E no dey better bonte. Na be say me di video we sumo nti me so any demo a. Subscribe my page no me adoma no so. Say na me upload bia to na onsa e betimaka. In this video, Black Rasta atutu bia mane Otumfour.
I am honestly ashamed anytime I see Otumfour dressed like this, in suit and things like that. I am totally ashamed. You are one of the greatest kings of the world. You are an ancient king. Osei Tutu the first should be so ashamed seeing Otumfour dressed like this.
This guy get boss. Otumfour #1 king in Ghana. As a matter of fact, I'm for the rated to the whole Africa. Say or he be any Africa on Otumfour and that's their opinion. But Otumfour a renowned king in Ghana. Obien to me sorry enka Otumfour wasem. Now Otumfour be a video be some few weeks ago. I watched him say ye initiating into Okot 25 years ago.
We aspire to as a Grand Lodge in the next 10 years. We may be tempted to first assess where we are now, and then second, determine incremental improvements on our achievements to date as our targets. I, however, wish to challenge ourselves to set higher targets, to reflect and capture our dreams for the future of our Grand Lodge. I am confident that our dreams will be more grandeur and better than straightforward improvements. Dream targets are challenges which require hard work, determination, and commitment to achieve. The joy of achieving dreams can, however, be immeasurable. I shall therefore proceed to state what in my capacity as a Grand Patron will give me unalloyed joy after the coming decade in terms of membership, commitment of brethren, practice of charity, relevance of our institution to our families and communities, and maintaining a high standard of performance in the delivery of our ritual for attractive and educative ceremonies.
And now Black Rasta say until I say Otumfour be kasa ansensem no. And afi attire Otumfour she no so no. Ono Otumfour enya adwen.
Why should you dress in suit, let alone a Freemason suit? You are the king of Ashanti. The Ashanti kingdom is not a joke Freemasonry. It's a powerful ancient entity. Do we know the history of the Ashanti kingdom? Do we know what it entails to be an Ashanti king? Do we know what wars the Ashantis had to fight in order to keep the kingdom? Do we know what it means to say Asante Hini and Asante Mai? I think it's a demeanor, in fact, for the kingdom. Today you are in Freemason suit. Let Kufuor and the rest dress in Freemasonry. I have a problem with an ancient king who, in my opinion, in fact, is scraping off the luster. You know what it means to say the luster? The shine of this great ancient kingdom. It's a disgrace. I think Asante man should start speaking with Otumfour. Please.
Ebusia Ghana for nyina a celebrate Otumfour, and as a matter of fact, Freemason for a celebrate Otumfour. Na kwan of us celebrate Otumfour no na efe keke.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have standing to receive the Right Honorable Deputy Grand Master, the Grand Lodge of Ghana, and his delegation.
Most worshipful brother, the Grand Patron, has been a calm voice of reason and the total avoidance or dampening down of the banality of avarice and profusion during the last 25 years of our still fledgling democracy. Some of us sleep a little more easily, but always with one eye open though, knowing that he is there to corral the excesses of those who certainly ought to know better. In this manner, he has provided transformational societal leadership, utilizing his skill as a genuine professor of the craft, and that must be consolidated and sustained well into the future. Of his monumental support and benevolence, and the brethren are unanimous in expressing their eternal debt of gratitude. For the Asanteman dynasty, located under the banyan or country, of which our esteemed Grand Patron is the current occupier of the golden stool. In this Jubilee year, we are emboldened to chant with confidence in the same manner and spirit as we approach the altar in the sublime degree of Master Mason. Freemasonry yesterday, Freemasonry today, Freemasonry tomorrow, Freemasonry forever, all until the world shall, according to the perfect plan of the Almighty Architect, not need Freemasonry anymore. Most worshipful Grandmaster, as Africans.
Na video ya ushe enu na Black Rasta jina so ena wa bonadwen akwana boneshowa enye easy. Black Rasta bonadwen na insema Black Rasta kano minim so Otumfour atede a me part video e men send me Otumfour we de ekwan komo. Subscribe my page na mi adoma na fe wadwen kire no me pese mi hu ti no je wadwen kire to your comment section wona mi hu awa wo sifa ji video we makra.